everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In this video, I'm going to go over my combination to positions by Ariana Grande, which is about a beginner or an advanced beginner level dance, so enjoy. And even if you are at a higher level, you can always still come and enjoy these kind of lower level dances. If you have not yet watched my short where I do the dance with music, once you are done learning the dance in this tutorial, then you can go find that short, which I have linked in my description box below, and you can go do the dance with music with that short as well. So once you learn it here, you can find the link to my short in my description box below, and then you can do the dance with music with that video. So let's go ahead and get started learning it here. So you're going to start off, oh, and I forgot to mention that if you don't know some of the steps that I do in this dance, also find my Tap Step Tutorials playlist link located in the description box below, and then you can go ahead, and I think I have most of the steps in there. You can go ahead and find the step that you don't know, scroll through the playlist, find the step, and then learn it, and then come back to this video. So I should have tutorials for all of the things that I do in this dance. I don't think that there's one that I have missed yet. So we're going to start with 2 waltz clogs. They're just like a buffalo with a ball change. We're going to start it on the right foot and then go into the left foot. So we're going to go step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change, and then in between you're going to throw in a cramp roll. Sometimes you can do a step, step, sometimes you do a cramp roll. It's just to get the rhythm properly. Since it is a waltz clog, usually it's done in 3/4 time, but it's to get the rhythm properly done in 4/4 time. So, waltz clog on the right, left, cramp roll, and then you're going to repeat that same thing again, starting on the right foot again. The reason we start on the right foot right after that cramp roll is because our weight should be in our left foot after that heel drop, and then our right foot's ready to go. So, both of those waltz clogs start. Those sections start on the right side. So we have again waltz, clog, right, left, cramp roll, again. Okay, so now we're going to go into some drawbacks. We're going to do 4 of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're going to go toe, heel, stomp, or tip, heel, stomp. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, toe, heel, stomp. Okay, weight goes in that stomp. From here, you're going to go scuff, heel, brush, heel, toe, heel, stomp. Left side starts first. You're going to scuff forward with a heel on the other foot. Brush heel back with your left foot. And then tip heel on the left, right, and then stomp on the left. Now, if that's too hard, if that's too fast, scuff, heel, brush, heel, tip, heel, stomp, you could always take out those heels and just go scuff, brush, toe, stomp. Same timing. It's just a slower rhythm. Okay, so we finished 1, 2, 3, 4, toe, heel, stomp, scuff, brush, toe, and then we're going to do the same thing on our right foot. Scuff, brush, toe, stomp. From here, you're going to go into 2 paradiddles, left, right. You're going to go 1, 2, and then you're going to do a number 8 on your left, not a number 8, excuse me, an 8 count paradiddle. I guess you could call them a number 8. An 8 count paradiddle, which is dig, spank, heel, shuffle, heel, step, heel. So 2 paradiddles and then an 8 count paradiddle. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to repeat that whole thing again on your right foot now. Starting on your right, you're going to go paradiddle, 8 count paradiddle. Okay? From here, and if ever I'm going too fast through things, beauty of YouTube is that you can pause it, slow it down, whatever you need to do to learn the dance. So from here, we just finished our 8 count paradiddle on our right. Left foot picks up. We're going to go into 2 Broadways, once on the left, once on the right. So Broadway here, Broadway again. And then to finish it off, we're going to go back into that drawback rhythm. 4 drawbacks. This time we're starting on the left. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then instead of just doing a tip, heel, stomp, you're going to go tip, heel, stomp. It just goes with the music where I did it with, in the section of music that I did it to. You're going to go toe, heel, stomp. So the drawbacks again start on the left this time, and there are 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, toe, heel, stomp. And that's the whole dance there. It's actually one of my shorter ones. So that's the whole dance there. Let's go ahead and do it again. I'm going to talk us through the steps, and then we'll do it again, and I won't talk us through the steps on that try. And then you can go ahead and do it with music. Link in the description box. So starting with the waltz clog on the right foot. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Cramp roll. Again. Draw back. Stuff, brush, toe. Paradiddle. 8 count. Left, right side. Broadway. Draw back again. Toe, heel, stop. And that's the whole thing. I believe that was up to tempo. Okay, now we're going to do it. I'm not going to talk us through the steps, so it's just a run through up to tempo with no music. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, nicely done. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Sorry, I've been a little bit missing in posting videos. It's been kind of a lot getting back into the school year at my dance studio that I teach, and just haven't had the opportunity to make videos. So I will be now trying to post every Tuesday and Thursday. It's been a little bit sporadic. So if you have a question about a step, or you want me to break down a step, or you have a song suggestion, please leave those in the comment section below. And like I said, if you want to do this dance with music, link is in the description box. I have a ton of playlists. I have a time step playlist, shim sham playlist. I think I have a BS chorus playlist, tap step tutorials, other dance choreography that I've put together. So I have a ton. All of those playlists are linked in my description box below. And if you go to my channel, you should be able to find all of those playlists and videos as well. So if you have any questions, leave in the comment section below. And yeah, I think that's it. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.